It's a Saturday morning. I slept in a bit, not a bit, quite a lot, by an hour at least. So I just did my skincare and makeup, made some coffee, and I'm gonna make up my bed. And I'm also going to try to do a little casual photo shoot for Linenia Dream. And then hopefully if I have time, I'm gonna try to make a video for Fable England, respond to some emails and DMs, and then make myself some breakfast around that time. I gotta thaw out sausage, so I gotta wait on it. Thankfully it's still a bit sunny out there, so I should be good for photo shoot. But I just added some accessories. Okay, let's see it. I'm super excited to check my DMs this morning because I got a little sneak peek in my notification bar from Lame Linen, and I think we're going to collaborate. And I don't know if you see Lame, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but Lame Linen's designs on Etsy, they are absolutely gorgeous, and I've been wanting a piece from them for forever, so this is very exciting for me. I'm just going to put on some good old rain boots because nobody is going to see my shoes in the picture. Morning, boys. I did do a quick little photo shoot, and it really was quick. I told myself not to be like to overthink it and try to get as many photos as possible. I was like, I'm just gonna get a few, and this also isn't strictly necessary, but I just wanted to do it. I have a feeling this is gonna be more of a morning vlog and not a day vlog because I don't know if I have enough space on my phone. Yeah, I'm about to start editing, getting those photos done, and then responding to emails and DMs. thank you for coming along. I think that's going to be about it because I don't have enough storage space on my phone to make more, so here it is, my little morning in my life. Those egg muffins were absolutely perfect. I highly recommend that recipe. You should try it. They were delicious. And I actually haven't gone to my editing yet or responded to DMs or emails because I was hungry. So I made breakfast first. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like more. I will see you next time. God bless you.